Finally, some good news for AMP shareholders. The stock had its biggest one-day rise since 2003, following a takeover offer from US firm Ares Management. Is there anything private equity won't buy? Today's 19.5% surge couldn't right the listing ship that is the AMP share price. It's worth taking a look at just how badly it's performed since it hit the ASX 22 years ago. Talk about a slow death. It was one of the very bright spots, though, on an otherwise weaker market, which saw its worst week since April. And traders weren't too fazed about the strong US growth figures out overnight. You may have seen headlines saying the US economy grew by an astonishing 33% in the September quarter. That would mean that the US economic recovery looks like this, which is insane. Growth actually picked up 7.4% in the quarter. 33% assumes that the US will grow at that rate for the next 3 quarters, which won't happen. The US is still 3.5% smaller than before the pandemic. And less than a week out from the election polls, and betting markets put Biden in front. And this chart may help explain why. While the president's crowing that the economy expanded at 33%, which it didn't, there are probably plenty of workers wondering why they don't feel any richer. While employment for top earners has bounced back to pre-pandemic levels, that is not the case for those at the bottom. On a similar note back home, ABS confirmed what many may suspect, that despite being more productive, workers are getting the smallest slice of total income in the economy since 1963. That's not groovy, that's finance.